student, Assalamu alaikum. This is Laiba Tariq, your biology instructor from tutoria.pk. Today we are doing the exercise of your chapter 4, that is the cells. Let's start with the fill in the blanks. So the first fill in the blank is, in eukaryotic cell, chromatin material is bounded by dash. तो इसका आंसर है nuclear membrane. Second fill in the blank है, a group of ribosomes that is attached to the messenger RNA is known as polysome. Third है, dash is the place on chromosomes where the spindle fibers are attached during the cell division. तो इसका right blank है centromere. Fourth है, the endoplasmic reticulum with attached ribosome is known as rough endoplasmic reticulum. Fifth है, the soluble part of the cytoplasm is called dash. तो इसका आंसर है cytosol. तो इसके साथ ही हमारी फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स कंप्लीट हो गए. इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल डिस्कस द ट्रू फॉल्स.